Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete notes from Google Keep application step by step. Deleting clutter from your digital life is just as important as organizing it. If you're using Google Keep and want to delete notes you no longer need, then follow these steps. First of all, open up the Google Keep application on your Android or iOS device. And then from the main homepage of the login in, scroll through your notes and use the search bar at the top to type down and find the note you want to delete. You can also go ahead and find one of the notes from the homepage and tap on it to open it up. After you open up the note, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and then there you will be able to see options. To delete your note, click on delete, and your note has now been moved to the trash bin. The note that you just deleted will be sent to your trash bin. If you've ever deleted a note by mistake, then you can go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left corner and click on bin to open up your trash bin. Now, you can go ahead and tap on the note on the screen and click on the three dots at the bottom right. And if you want to restore the note since you've deleted it by mistake, you can click on restore. But if you want to delete this, then you can leave it on the bin. The note will then be deleted from the bin after 7 days. If you do nothing, just leave it there. If you want to empty the recycle bin right away, you can tap on empty recycle bin. Now click on empty recycle bin one more time to confirm, and that is how you will be able to delete a note and also remove it from your recycle bin, or even restore it if you have ever made a mistake while deleting your note. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.